One of the biggest changes in financial planning and retirement planning is about to happen. In the US, the Nasdaq 500 is about to allow SpaceX to be listed on the Nasdaq 500. So index funds often track the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 500. Anybody who has a group plan that mirrors these indexes is going to automatically buy into one of the biggest IPOs, if not the biggest IPO in the world's history. I'd totally urge you to go and look at the SpaceX prospectus, find out as much as you can about this launch, especially if you have index funds in the US. There's ways to shield yourself from this. You could possibly make a short-term move into the S&P 500, away from the Nasdaq 500. I think in the future, we're going to see Claude and OpenAI also launch and end up going into the indexes very quickly. I'm not saying ever take your money out of the market 100%, but you may want to shift a percentage of it around. I've only got 5% exposure to the US market. I've got a lot of international and Canadian exposure, so I'm not exposed as much as some people. But if you've got 25, 50, 75% of your portfolio is invested in index funds in the Nasdaq 500, you better take a look at one of the biggest changes in wealth in US history.